Okay, back at it again. My name is Bree. I know I have short sleeve shirts. Oh, this first. This is the card I'll be using, just so I can remember what all to say. And I guess I'll kind of just keep it right here. Two mass because I realize I'm not as tough as I thought I was. Okay, so let's go through the lobes. I can do those pretty quick first. So you have your frontal lobe, and I think I had like a bad sheep brain because mine fell out. Like the cerebellum and the medulla fell off. Like, anyways. So you have the frontal lobe. You have the occipital lobe in the back. You have the parietal, sort of on the top side, and then you have the temporal down here, kind of where your temples would be. Let's go off the memory. Let's see what I can do. You have the longitudinal fissure. That's the one that, when the brain is together, right there across the top, and on the back, where the medulla or the cerebellum should be, nice and easy, you have the lateral fissure that runs that way. You have the, once inside, you have the, this is the cerebral cortex, okay? Sort of like just the top of the brain. This is your meninges that I took off, but you can still see some of the meningeal, you can't see, but there's still little bits of meninge on here, but this is essentially the meninges. You have the, and this is hard. You have the corpus callosum, which is what holds the brain together. Down here you have the, I'm getting confused. You have the thalamus, and then below it you have the hypothalamus. It's all gray. Thalamus, hypothalamus. This essentially makes up the midbrain. And then down here we have our medulla right here. This is the cerebellum. And the tree branch, the white sort of tree branch pieces, is the white matter, surrounded by the gray matter, the little bit darker. Let's see. Everything, corpus callosum, thalamus, hypothalamus, midbrain, yes. Medulla oblongata is going to be this sort of longer piece. Let's say the pons is up here, but you can't really see. Don't need to mention that anyways. Cerebral cortex, meninges. Oh, so on the surface you have these ridges called gyri, and then the grooves are sulcus or sulci. And I think that's all the pieces of the brain. Like I said, it's kind of hard to see. Maybe it's just the brightness of it. Maybe if I did it like that, you could see a little bit better. But I can't see it well. Corpus callosum. Anyhow, I think I hit all the things. Hopefully that's good. Okay, thank you.